Hello all, welcome to the stream. So today's objective is to get our minimum viable product. I'm gonna try to do it. Honestly, I'm gonna try to rush it today. I don't have a lot of time, and I want to play Project Diva badly, so I'm gonna try and make this go as quick as I can today. There's quite a few things we have to do to get to minimum viable product status. So yesterday we got most of the building stuff done, at least the level editor building. So that's good. Ideally I would like it so that I can press like certain keys to rotate things. So we would have to make some like key press events real quick. I think it's just on key press. So we'll go to where mouse move is. I don't know if it's called on key press or key press. I think it's called key press. Whatever. We'll figure it out. On key down event. That is not it. Alright, how about just key down? That is not it either. Alright, it's not working. Not recommended. Okay. What do I use instead? Key down. That's literally what I thought I had. Key down. Okay. Alright, that works. I don't know why canvas doesn't work, but that's fine. We probably only need key down. Let me see. Yeah, that's fine. Honestly. We only have to make a couple keys, so I believe from here we can get. Let me see. I think it's just .key. There's usually like a. Gosh, go here. Why is this so unorganized? Key name. That's what I want. Either key or key name. Fine. Yeah, so it's based on the letters. So rotating keys, we want to use WASD, JKL, semicolon, up, down, left, right, and looks like numpad numbers. Looks like arrow right and arrow left, and the numbers will both take care of that. So we need to specify an array of these keys that will do the same thing. So I'll have like an action, rotation right, or key rotation right, and include everything that can rotate right. So, let's see. D? I don't know how the JKL layout works actually. Keyboard layout. It's left, down, up, right. Okay. Wait, is it right? HJKL? No way. Fred. I guess it is. Yeah. Fair enough. I was convinced otherwise. L. 6. And arrow right. Up, or left, excuse me. Up. So there's a couple other things we have to do today as well. We have to, display some text. We have to K up? K is up. Not only do we have to display some text, we have to display like the level text, we have to be able to run a level, we have to be able to fix a level, we have to get the tape displayed, and we have to fix the grid a little bit, and then I think we have a minimum viable product, we'll have a playable level. The goal is to have a playable level, not necessarily to have like the level select yet, as there's only one level, but we do need to have a level that is playable and runnable and fixable. Once we complete the level, it's whatever. We have to have a basic level, essentially. It could be any level. I want to choose a level with at least some logic in it, so we can have some visual like understanding of what the game is supposed to be. So there's our keys. They look correct to me. Now let's implement. Key down event. So we'll try each event and see which event we're triggering. Our key of key rotation right. If key is equal to e.key, then yes, run this. Rotate right. In our case, I think we just change. Do I have a function for that? Oh, I see. I just have a callback here. So this is the rotate right function. I might as well change this to be called rotate right. Rotate clockwise. Yeah, like that. Rotate counterclockwise. Oh wait, we're not rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. These are direct changes. Let me see. This should still work though. What? Oh wait, var. How about function? Okay. Rotation right actually sets a direction directly, so we just do item direction equals right. I just realized that. It's not rotation. It's a direct set. Okay, then do the same for the others. Since we're just copy-pasting this, we can turn this into a function all in itself. So this is... check rotate right. Key rotation right. Provide the event. We just say if check rotate right. Or how about this? Check keys. If check keys, item direction is right. This makes more sense to me. This is event, keys, or key of keys. Then return true, otherwise return false. We factored that a little bit. Left, up, and down. Okay. So now, you can see that I am actually pressing WASD and HJKL and the arrow keys and numbers, and they all work. So now we can just use the arrow keys to rotate things instead. Very nice. Okay, so next what I want to do is get actually want to fix this grid real quick. So we're gonna fix the grid. We're gonna go to setup game where we draw a grid. Actually, I think we have to go to draw to fix that. Okay. It's actually under render game, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna delete this. I keep going to it, and this. I keep going to that as well. Alright, so we have to draw one extra on the grid because we're making it so we're drawing the grid inside the lines now. Oops, that's not what I wanted. So we're going to increase the lengths of these by 1. And we're going to draw one extra row as well. There we go. So this is a 5x5 grid. It's just what we did was we made it so you get to put stuff in between the lines. And because we decided to go with that, we have to make it so... we have to make it so it's actually one grid larger than it's supposed to be. So that's why we have that. We could also use the delete button. Do I want to do that real quick? Yeah, I kind of want to make a delete button. Alright, let's do that. Delete button. We also need like a play button. Delete button, play button, reset button. Delete, play, reset. I guess are the big three. Delete button can be a trash can. Although I don't really know how we're going to draw a trash can. We can try. Just something simple, I guess. That kind of looks like a trash can. Usually they're like curved or something, but I think that's almost recognizable as a trash can. Maybe a piece of trash? I don't know if we can get a piece of trash in here, but if I shape this right. Something like that. Alright. I mean, that kind of looks like one. Good enough, right? Or maybe we have like an X. If we have like an X symbol, it'll probably be obvious. Let's get an X in here. Doop. Make it larger and make it red or something. Feeling a little creative today. I do wanna make it larger, so let's make it larger. That. I don't know if that enhances it. I guess it kind of does. That looks okay. I do want to put this in our actual document with all our other Inkscape stuff, so let me open our Inkscape project and just throw that in there. As trash can. Where's my layers? Wanna open up correctly? Window? Trash can. There we go. I'll just work with that. I'm gonna group all these together, and then I'm going to export this as delete.png. Okay, now what do we need? Let's get... We have a delete button. We want a play button. Play should just be like a giant green arrow or something. You know, just like any other play button. Crud. I never do this right. That's fine. It doesn't have to be even. I don't really care right now. Need like a little... Oop. Alright. Kinda works, except the edge. Alright. This is the play button, so I shouldn't do this on this layer, actually. I actually deleted the trash can? Hold on. Cut, undo. Make a new layer. Play arrow. Okay. We can go there. Save. Export this as a play arrow. And then what else do we need? We also need a reset button. So reset, probably just like arrows drawn in a circular pattern. I keep deleting, which is not what I want. Restart, reset. Okay. So let's make one arrow that we can rotate around here. Oh, crud. Undo that. Okay. Let's go for like something like this. Alright, that's fine. I didn't really make the arrow part yet because I kind of forgot, but I'll fix that later, I guess. Should have made it so large. Whatever. I'll say that's good enough. Good enough for our purposes. Alright. Combine these and fill. Just gonna go for the black. And we need a second one of these, so we'll just mirror it. Okay, like that. Alright, good enough. That'll be our reset button. Combine those. Layer, resave, export, reset. Okay. We have graphics. Export them as base64. And then after that, implement the buttons, make sure they work, then make the text, make it so we can play the level, restart the level, whatever. I think we need like a stop button or pause button too. Alright, let's make a pause button real quick. It'll be a square. Pause. Pause or stop? I don't know. Let me think. Reset is really our stop, so let's just make a pause button. Pause button. Alright, that looks like a pause button to me. Maybe not as tall. Alright. That looks better. Pause. Pause. Pause champ. Okay. Get these uploaded to my Linux server so I can convert them to base64 real quick. Because I'm just going to embed them that way. I've been embedding all my graphics the same way in this project. Alright. Where am I going? Go to documents. Alright, we need to add pause, reset, play, and delete. Wow, 4 buttons. Go to the base64 directory, run convert all.sh. And then go to changed. Copy, paste all these over. Actually, only copy play, pause, reset, and delete. Delete. Back over. Open all these because they all need to, we need to get rid of all the new lines on them. So replace new lines with nothing. Replace all. Do the same here. And here. And here. Save all. Okay. Now we go to imagedata.js and copy paste and make new images. So this, all this image delete. Same with this, image delete. And then we're gonna copy paste this 3 more times and change it. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do pause, play, and reset. Delete, reset, play, pause. Okay. So this is delete. Fred, how did I end up way up here? Lost my place. Delete. Okay. Pause. Why does it keep scrolling like that? Stop. I think it goes like to the top of the line that is like I don't know how this works. It keeps going to that position though. It's really annoying. Why is this on the same line as this? Yeah, why? How did that happen? Right. Copy paste error, of course. Pause, play. Okay, I think I already did that one. Reset. Alright, that works. Play, pause. Pause doesn't look right. Oh wait, pause is small. Pause, play, reset, delete. Okay, those look right to me. So now we have to add them. Or, well, they're already added. We have to use them now. So we're gonna make 4 buttons. Play button, reset button, delete button, pause button is actually gonna replace play button when the game is running, so that's gonna happen. Alright, now we have to write the buttons. So these buttons are tool buttons, kind of like the rotate buttons were, so they're just gonna get callbacks, and the callbacks is gonna prevent them from displaying things. So we're gonna have the play button, which is literally just image play. And when we do that, we're gonna do run simulation, I guess you could say. Yes, we're running a simulation. We're gonna call it run game simulation function. The first thing we're gonna do actually, when we call this, is we're gonna replace the play button with a pause button in the menu. So we will have a pause button, and it will be pause game simulation. And we need a game state called isPaused. So we're going to be using that later. So I guess we'll make a new state called paused. Paused. We'll just set the state to pause when we click it. Game state equals paused. Game state equals running. And whenever we click Run Game Simulation, we switch to the pause state. When we switch to the pause state, we turn on the play button again. So we kind of toggle these buttons on and off. So for menu.buttons, for our button of menu.buttons, if I don't know how I want to do this. I think we're just going to look at each slot. Menu.buttons.length. Increase that. Menu buttons I is a play button. Dot image is equal to image play. We're going to replace it. So then we're going to say menu.buttons I equals pause button instead. Then we can break. But if we're in pause state, we're looking for the pause button, and we're going to change it to the play button. Play button. Yes. So we're going to do that. So that's those 2 buttons. And then we have... So if I just, well, let me make the other buttons real quick. So we have a reset button. Reset. Actually, I think I want the delete button in front. Oh, I already did that. Okay, delete buttons in front. This will be reset simulation. I actually don't know how we want to reset the simulation. I think all we do is we set the bot position back to its start or something. Let me think. Set the bot position back to its start. Is that right? I guess for now that's what it can be. We have to set the bot state back to alive. So bot state equals alive. Like basically resetting the level, except for the part where we reset the entire level. We don't want to reset the playing field, just the bot position and stuff. So we set bot state to alive, we set the bot tape to whatever the tape is supposed to be. How do we get the tape? You know, now that I think about it, the tapes are going to be randomized, so we're just saying bot state is alive. I guess we say the game state is going to be not running. Waiting? Waiting. What else? Bot state's alive, game state's waiting, position of bot is set back to whatever the current level is. So how do we know what level we're on? I kind of forgot already. It must be... crud. How do we create a how do we set a level? Load level. Place bot game grid is deep copy. Oh, the level data contains... right. Stage.level? So we don't have like what level we're on right now, I don't think. We don't have like current level. So I think we have to store that somewhere. So let's do that. Current level should contain what level we have loaded. So if I do create grid, ideally we're not going to use this, so yeah, I see there's a start here, so we just need to say like current stage or something. Game level, how about that? Game level equals stage, well, it's going to be undefined. But we'll define it. We do setup game. Let's just load level 2 by default. Load level stage 2. I think that's how we do this. Load level stage 2. Now that we called load level, we just need to set the level. So we just say game level equals level. Load stage, what's the difference? What? It's literally the same. Load level. Load stage calls load level. Oh, game stage. Never mind, we already have that. I'm dumb. Alright, go back. We're calling it a stage, not a level. So this is reset game. Oh, right. Reset stage. Anyway. Reset simulation, bot state's alive, game state's waiting, game, or not game, bot X will be equal to whatever the game stage dot start dot X is. Game stage start Y, bot Y. What else? I think that's it. Yeah. That pretty much resets us. Okay. That's reset button. What else? Delete button. Yeah, the delete button. Right. Deletes an item. Or sets the, like, delete tool or whatever. Let's make a new game state called deleting. Or maybe not deleting, maybe... We don't really use, like, tools, so I guess... we change the mode to delete mode or something? Delete mode is false. I'll just do that. Toggle delete mode. Do I want it to be a toggle? Yeah, let's make it a toggle. Toggle delete mode. I guess we should make an indicator on whether it's on or off, huh? And we'll do that in a moment. So delete mode equals not delete mode. And if delete mode's on, we change the cursor, maybe? Yeah, I guess we can change the cursor if we want. From this into like an X. We'll do something like this. Why does that look not right? Whatever. If I have to, I will fix it, but... Should not have drawn that while there was still a lot, like, other stuff in the way. Just our fresh image. Not this. 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 This is white. Oh my gosh. Alright, I just basically have to redo it because I did that poorly. Okay. 2. Okay. Just kind of flip that. And we have our X. Get rid of this. Alright, that works. Why is this different? Alright. Delete cursor is what that is. Export. Whatever, wherever cursor.png is. It's probably in here, actually. We have to change that. How do we change that, though? I guess we have to set the style differently, so we have to change the body style. Right. Okay, let's do that. Toggle delete mode. Document body style. Dot. How do we get that? I think it's... I think you just do cursor. Hopefully. URL. Change it to delete cursor. If it is indeed delete mode. Otherwise use cursor. Okay. Lots of functionality to test. We just had 4 buttons. Some of them are not going to do anything yet. Calorie property buttons of undefined. What? Buttons? Buttons? What? It's not even running yet. Or maybe menu should be defined before this. I don't know. Oh, I see what I did. These aren't callbacks. Whoops, my bad. That's why they... So, it ran the functions. They're not supposed to be running. Load level is not defined. What? Really? Oh, yeah, it's load level with bot X. What? No, I want to call load stage, not load level. There we go. Load stage is not defined. What? I guess it's because this happens at the beginning and... Wait. We do have stage 2, right? Hold on. Stage 2. Yeah. It's not defined. 397. Yeah, it is. What? Or did I type a capital L? Yep. Goodness. Can't read property length of undefined now. What? Oh, you know what? It's probably the exit. Wait, what? Game grid dot length is undefined? That doesn't sound good. Or right. Load level. Create grid 5542. Should be defined. That's weird. One moment. It's already been an hour, dang. I have my food though, so I'm gonna go eat that in a second. Game grid length. Why would this be happening? This should be defined. Okay. So that is okay. Load level should set game grid to be that. Okay. So game grid is defined. Oh, you know what? Wait. Okay, that's weird. Why does game grid end up being undefined? Unless I still have that display grid thing, which I'm pretty sure I got rid of completely. Oh, wait. Alright, this is unused. It should be unused. Anything else? Okay. The display grid thing is gone. I don't get why game grid is undefined right now. Under game. That is called in draw. Which is called in game. Oh, in game test. Wait. Game test. 481. Oh wait, yeah. That's right. That's where it's called. Draw. That makes no sense. What's it getting set to? Or why does it get set to that? Something in step is doing that? No. Okay, that makes no sense either. Setup game should be Giving us a level to work with. Load stage game. Oh! That's why. Okay, my bad. Why are there 2 reset buttons? Copy paste error. My bad, I set the button to the actual game grid, which was wrong. This should be a delete image. Okay. So click. Doesn't change the cursor. Great. Rotate. Play. Does not change to a pause. Reset. Alright. These don't do anything yet. But I'm sure they will. So let me see if I can make this toggle delete mode thing work real quick. Make sure it's actually being clicked on. Console log delete mode. Okay, so that is being toggled. It's just not changing the cursor. Change style cursor JavaScript DOM. Whatever. Okay. Oh wait, there's more. I forgot about the other part. 8, auto. Totally forgot about the rest. That's probably why. Click. Nope, that still doesn't do anything. Alright, get rid of this. See what happens. Nothing. By style cursor. Okay. Feel like that's what I was doing. Body.style.cursor. That is exactly what I'm doing. Equals this. I guess plus all this. Why is it not working? I mean, let me just try like a default and see what happens. See if that works at least. Okay, that works. So it's just the URL failing. Change body style cursor URL. URL, comma, auto. Wait. Does it actually need a comma? Comma? Question mark? No. Maybe it needs... I don't get it. Wait, by tag name? Get elements by tag name? That's weird. I don't... Oops. I feel like that's how you get a body. I feel like this is equivalent. Or it should be. Because I could change... I already changed it, so I know that part's valid. Maybe it needs to be like... relative paths? No. Just cursor URL all by itself? Well, let's see how you would do it. Not this. Comma auto. Alright, let me just try the comma auto thing first. According to this, that does work. Oh, it sure does. Okay. Well, that's a good sign. What about comma 8 comma? Could it really be my spacing? Like the space thing could really make a difference? Alright, that doesn't work. Okay. So maybe I'm supposed to put like... Maybe I should look up what URL actually, or cursor, CSS. URL. Oh, you put the, I think you put the 88 here, or not here, put it. Can I read like the docs on it? Not this. Yeah, in here. That's the type. Oh, these have no spaces. Maybe I just didn't notice. Whoops. So maybe I had it wrong this whole time. Okay. Nice. So, yeah, there's no... I'm dumb. Alright. I'm gonna take a break, get some food. Be right back. Alrighty, I am back. Let's get to implementing this quickly. I do want to move on to Project Diva within the next hour, so let's go. I think the goal is to get I guess it's to get a functioning simulation running using these various buttons. I noticed the play button does not turn into the pause button, so maybe we should check that real quick, because that should be working. Found the play button. Should be replaced with the pause button, right? Okay, so why isn't it displaying that? Unless the pause button and play button use the same image, and I just copy-pasted it by accident. Gosh dang it. Come on, Sig. Well, that explains it. Pause, play, pause, play, pop, 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 pop. Okay, good. So that works. Now what? We need to draw where the robot is gonna be. So let's draw where the robot is. We don't even have that yet. So that happens inside of draw, render game, excuse me. So we draw the robot on top of whatever square it's supposed to be over. So we will do I want to say render icon, but I mean, I guess, yeah, render icon would be fine. I think the only problem with using render icon is we don't have the image. Everything is just a diff. Maybe we do it inside of render icon, because render icon has the properties of that square. But let me double check that actually. If image is undefined, oh, never mind. If, we'll do it in here then. If bot is not equal to undefined, draw the bot. I just have to use draw image. Excuse me. Render icon. Render icon. It should not be matching oh, I'm in the wrong file. I hope to be in the right file, huh? Here we go, draw image. So we draw the image, icon robot? Or not icon, image robot. I think. No? Bot? Yes, spot. Okay. I don't see it, so I presume the bot does not exist anywhere, even though it should, actually. Actually, we should be drawing this at bot X and bot Y, I think. Let me think. Grid X plus grid W times X plus 16. Substitute X for bot X. Okay. There is not defined, you're right. Alright, there's a bot. Alright, it needs to be offset. By one grid. Or not one grid, half a grid. Okay. If I were to do this, technically we should be able to like run our simulation, so to speak. And the bot would start moving to the right. But that's not happening yet, so let's find out why. Run game simulation. Game state gets set to running. I guess bot dir should be right. Okay. So that works. Why didn't it work initially when I just clicked play the first time? Probably... let me think. Probably the direction isn't set. Maybe that's why. In any case, yeah, for some reason the, what do you call it? The reset button is required in order to start it. I'm not sure why. I think it's because the bot state is set to dead initially. Maybe that's why. Even though I'm pretty sure it starts out alive. Bot state is alive. Bot dir is right. Delete mode is false. Bot Q. Bot X, bot Y. We're in waiting mode. So when we click reset, what happens? Are we still in waiting state? Game state, game state. Oh, game state is running at the start, that's why. So game state should be waiting at the start, not running. So then if I hit play... no? What? Load stage. Should load a level, and load level places the bot at a position, and then game state is waiting. I don't know why I have to click this. I have to click reset in order to do this. What else am I doing in reset? Bot stay alive, game stay waiting. Bot dir. Alright, I'm gonna guess it's this bot state being alive. Let me check. We need like a better indicator, I guess. Alright, reset. Nope, it's not that. It must be this. For some reason the game state is not being set to waiting or something. Let me output what we have for game state then. Game state. It says it's currently 2. 2 is review. Oh. So it ran the... oh, you know what I forgot to do? I bet you I forgot to reset the game state after each test. Let me see. Before each, reset game. Reset game. Game state is waiting. What? Maybe it was after the test? I'm supposed to reset too? After the test, reset game. Maybe I should do this. We shouldn't trust that the test will reset it for us, but the test should reset the game. Alright. Now it is... well, okay, yeah. So now it's reset to a state where it's playable. Also, if we hit reset, pause needs to go back, or play needs to go back to If it's in play mode, it needs to go back to pause mode. That's what needs to happen. So if there is a pause button, it goes back to being a play button. Okay. That's working right now. Now, the question is, can we make an actual, yeah, right now there's like an invisible tape. Oh god, the bot's still going. Bot, you need to stop when you're on a thing. When you're off a thing. It shouldn't go to a square that is off the grid. It should just stop. I don't think we ever checked that, did we? Let's see. That would be under step, under run bot. Where's run bot? Hello? What? Function run bot. Why could I not find this, huh? That's weird. Oh, because I did parentheses, that's why. Okay. Next square. So yeah, our next square is equal to this, but there are bounds, right? We can't go... If this is undefined, we can't go there. So then we kill the simulation, like it's considered dead. So, dead simulation would be... Next square equals that. If next square is equal to undefined, we reached a dead square. Otherwise, do this. And we do have to copy paste this. I kind of don't like that, so we're just going to make a function called set next square and provide a relative offset in relation to the bot. So we'll have offset y. I guess we could do offset x, offset y here. And we'll return whatever is at game grid. That plus offset y. And this plus offset x. Oh, we're gonna see if this is defined too. Because then if we try to go for a grid square on this edge, we're gonna get undefined as well. Is equal to, is not equal to undefined. And we're okay. So now we can do set next square. Oh, also, we can automatically kill it too. So then we could say if next square is not equal to undefined, do this. Alright, I like that a lot better. This is -1 on the X. This is +1 X. And +1 Y. Okay. Hello? Oh wait, we have 10 failing tests. Oh god. What? Let me see. Bot moves to the right initially, expected true but got false. What? Oh, that's not good. It literally makes nothing work. Is this undefined or something? I feel like it should not be. Oh, we have to modify. I forgot about that. So you get the... that makes more sense. Our next square equals this. Bot X plus equals offset X. I forgot this also moves the bot. Which is a core feature of running that. Or still failed. What? Well, we're down to 4 tests failing. Seems like they ought to do with movement. That's weird. Oh wait, what is this? Oh god. That's wrong. Okay, now everything's passing again. Nice. Thank you, test-driven development, for finding my problems early, I guess. So all that was so we don't get errors when we go like out here or something. Yeah, it just stops running. Also, we have to actually make the delete mode work. Or if we click something else, it changes delete mode, cancels delete mode. Also, if the bot gets stuck, we need to stop running. Cannot read property direction of undefined. Right, because, well, it's undefined. Was it supposed to be defined? Oh, right here, I see. I see, I see. Next square is not equal to undefined, and next square that type is equal to exit. Because right now it's hard failing on the fact that it's trying to check for the exit bit does exist, so that's still happening though. Carry property direction of undefined. Hold on. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, for both of these we have to assume next square is not undefined. Square is equal to undefined. It's not equal to undefined. And one of these two is true. Okay. Then the stage should be stopped at this point, which should mean there's a play button, it turns into, or a pause button, it turns into a play button. So we should make this be function end a round. That way I can paste this in 3 different places. Because there are 3 places that turn the play button into a pause button now. There we go. Okay. I think those are acceptable controls for now. Let's make sure the delete mode, so if we go to click event, if we click a button that is not the delete button, we should turn delete off. How about this? We should turn delete on only, we should turn delete off every time we click a button. I think that's a good way to do this. Bar delete mode. Delete mode is false. If we mouse over button, let me think. Yeah, we'll have in here would be an actual click. So we would turn delete mode into false, then run the button's function. If the button's, oh wait, it's right here. And run the button's function. I guess this should be in here. And if the button's function turns on delete mode, we're fine. Otherwise, turn it off. So if I click like this, or this, or this, apparently that doesn't turn off delete mode. Or if it turns it off, it doesn't reset the button. So delete mode's cursor should turn off. I guess we should set the cursor. Just a side effect. Yeah, okay, that works. So delete mode is automatically cancelled when we click something else. Okay. It's fine. Now we have to actually make delete mode function. If we click while in delete mode, this thing we have selected goes away. So delete mode, if delete mode's on, then selected item
becomes undefined. And instead, we can, I guess, click items on the board. That's not right. Is it selected item? Selected item. Okay, I don't think that's right. Maybe it's like something selected. Oh, item selected. Backwards. Okay. So we have this selected. Click this. Alright, it disappears. Good. So what we need to do now is make it so if we click an item on the grid, it tries to delete it in delete mode. So we're gonna go back to click event. Okay, so or delete mode. So if we're in delete mode, we're gonna go into here, but we're not gonna do place object. So if delete mode, we are going to delete object at those chords. And so, or we can do place object, but the object will be blank. That's the same thing as deleting it. Yeah, I like that. I think that works. So click, delete, delete. Yep, works like a charm. Nice. Okay. Basic interface. It doesn't work like crazy good yet. There's still a lot of like little things we can do, but at least we have the basics. So now we need to display the tape at the very least. So displaying the tape. Let's see. The tape can be pretty lengthy, but I guess we'll only show like the first. Maybe we should show on the top here? I don't know. No, let's just show on the side. So I was thinking the rest of the screen, like, the screen's gonna be divided into, like, 75% is the game field. This other, like, 25% is going to be data, display data. So I think I'll cut it off with another one of these, like, dark blue bars over here, but up there. So we'll go to, go to draw. Render submenu, render menu, render game info. Function, render game info. So I want to use the same kind of color I did for this. Not this. For render menu. Okay. We're just gonna say, if the menu's visible, then the game info will also be visible, because they both will persist on the same thing. So here we have, it will start at canvas.width multiplied by 0.75 all the way to the bottom, or the side. And it didn't appear anyway. Render game info was not capitalized correctly. And context is not defined. There we go. So on the side we'll have just basic game info over here. So one of these squares will be the tape itself. I guess the tape will only be one row high for now, but maybe we'll make the tape as long as it needs to be. I don't know. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just render the whole tape for now in that space, and then later we can actually fill it with like text and stuff. I don't know. So render tape. So tape is a global variable, so we should be able to just access it. We need to pass in context. And I guess we need to pass in the X and Y of where we want to render the tape. So let's just render it here plus 8, comma 8. X, comma Y. Okay. So our tape is going to just be letters. So we just have to read off the letters. And for each character, we're going to render a dot. Now the dot itself kind of already had the colors for, so we just have to display the color based on the letter. Now interestingly, some colors are not one letter. I just realized that. Do I want to change that? I feel like that could be a problem. Yeah, that would definitely be a problem. We have to like make up letters for other stuff. We can just use lowercase letters, I feel. Like pink is lowercase p, black is lowercase b, and gray is lowercase g or something. I feel like that would be okay. That shouldn't break anything. Yeah, because everything internally is still recognized by those letters. So we'll use lowercase letters for those. I just realized, yeah, that's not gonna work. But tape I. Case R. Oh, you know what? Actually, we can do case red. Yeah, we'll just do it like that. And depending on which one, we're going to draw a certain dot at that screen position. So the position, we're kind of limited on width, so I guess the width we should actually throw in there as a wrapping amount. So the width should be canvas.width multiplied by 0.25 minus 16. I'll just say that's the width. Okay. So basically, current, or I guess we won't have to store the x, we'll just do a modulus on that. So we'll do a draw image, or image draw image? Yeah. Draw image at location x plus I modulus width multiplied by what? 32? Maybe 24. We'll also have to add 16 to those because the image is 32 by 32. This will be y plus 16 plus I times 24, wait, not 24. I times 24, modulus width, I times 24, this time divided by width. Math.floor that. Okay, and then the image itself, so image dot. Yeah, it's just image dot and then the color name. Image dot R 0. So I guess we just copy this and change the letters. Blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, black, and gray. Let's see if that actually renders. Save is enough. Function. Oh, I always forget the CTX. Oh, nice. There's the tape. Let's try a longer. Yeah, let's try a longer tape. BRPYB YYYG. Okay, I guess bot tape gets reset or something. Yeah, it does. Let's try that. Hello? Oh, 2 failed? What? Oh, it expects the reset to happen every time. Let's just set the tape ourselves after we load the game or load the stage. Just for this, we'll purposely set the tape. So I just want to see it be a different set of colors. Oh god, what happened? They're all like offset weirdly. I times 24 divide by width. So if there's too many, it's supposed to reset. And then the Y is supposed to shift down. So it's I times 24 divided by width. It should be 0 for a while and then it eventually increments to 1? I don't think I'm not understanding what I'm seeing here is the problem. I guess this width is uneven too. That's another thing. Here, we'll do this a little differently. We'll just say X pause or Y offset, I guess. X offset. We'll increment it first. Plus equals 24. If X offset is greater than width, set to 0. Increment Y offset. And then we'll just draw it at X offset, Y offset. I think that's a lot easier. So yeah, we'll replace all that junk with this. Okay. Alright, pretty close. Needs to be added after, not before. There we go. That shows the tape. Blue, red, pink. That's not purple. Blue, red. Oh yeah, it is. Pink, yellow, black. I guess purple is a capital P. Nice. Okay. So now we should be able to watch the tape as stuff happens. So if I were to go up here, write some purples, go over here, read off a purple, and then, yeah. The tape's not updating? Question mark? That's weird. I thought we tested for that. Hello? I thought my tests were supposed to cover writing colors. Uh-oh, that's not good. Does it at least read colors? Let me see. If I put one of these here. Yeah, it does read a color. Wait, what? What just happened? Wait, now it has no tape. What? Reset does not set the tape. I guess, in theory, resetting should be creating its own tape thing. Like, when you hit play, it's supposed to... The game is supposed to determine... Like, generate a set bots. I guess that's what we want to... Yeah, generate bot queue. So, bot queue... Should should happen. Let's see if play... Let me try to change run game simulation a little bit. So instead of just running, it's supposed to do game state equals testing, generate bot queue, and then if... Well, actually just... If bot queue.length is greater than 0, then bot tape equals bot queue 0. Else bot tape will be equal to like BR or something. I don't know. Just something generic. Whoa, what? Oh, right. After it tests, it needs to reset the bot again. So we actually do reset. Yeah, like that, I think. Oh. It even realizes that no dots fails. Well, what is the hold on. I feel like if I click this, it should turn it off too. Yeah, I thought I made it a toggle. The heck? I guess it broke when I made it click the thing. Whoops. I know how we can fix that. Don't set delete mode to fall, or set the cursor after. No, wait. Set delete mode after the fact. Wait, hold on, let me think about this. I don't know. Okay, if it's any of these, delete mode gets set to false, for sure. If it's one of these, don't worry about it, I guess. Okay, I mean, I guess that works. Because then we're in this, like, build mode state, so... I don't get it. That should be modifying the tape when that happens. So, yeah, we're gonna have to look at that now. Do. Run bot. Append tape. Like, don't we have a check for this? I'm pretty sure we do. Oh, wait. This isn't a... What? What? Is this supposed to be like color 1 or something? Oh, I think the format of my tests is old. That's right, I never updated my tests with the new setup. So both of these tests at... Both of these tests are not working right. Since we recently changed the writer format. So level 3, I had to fix that. Level 3. Yeah, anytime we use a writer now. Color, wait. They do have color 1 here though. What? Unless... Okay, yeah, these don't work. What is color supposed to be? Color is undefined? What? Oh wait, yeah. That makes the test pass, but it doesn't... Hold on. It doesn't add a color here. It doesn't work in the real thing. What? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, something's wrong. If these are undefined, it should be dot color 1. Why is it not? Yeah, I said it was color 1. So writer color, oh. That's what makes the test fail. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Yeah, it should be color 1. There we go. Alright, now it's working. What about this? Put that there. There we go. Wait. It went the wrong way. What? Are these reversed? Have these been reversed the whole time? Why are the arrow colors reversed? Okay. Well, I need to flip them then. Arrow. So these need to be reversed. Okay. Interesting. I went all this time without realizing that. Alright, now it's correct. Cool. Alright, at the very least we have that. Let me see if I can do this test, because I know we loaded stage 2. So stage 2 once, even though we can't see the exit yet. Except only blue bots. Okay. So in theory, this should not work. It tests me with just a blank. And then if we do accept only blue bots. So blue bots. I don't know if that's because it can't find any or it run simulation, run game sim. Okay. That is where the exit is, right? I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Stage 2. I guess it would be nice to actually draw where the exit is visually. But it says start create grid 4 comma 2 0 1 2 3 4. Oh, I see. It's right here, actually. Okay, yeah. Now I get this list of bots that should work but don't. Okay. Like, all these bots should be being rejected or accepted, but they're... Or... Wait. These are bots that all should be rejected, but don't... Hold on. Oh, a bot that is blank should not be accepted. These are all the bots that should pass? Hold on. Oh, I feel like the bot queue needs to get cleared every time too. That could be a fault in my implementation of generate bot queue. Set bot queue to nothing. Okay. Alright, so that gets reset properly now. So if I do this... Okay, so that means that every test passed. Good. That means it worked. But I'm gonna add a condition. Accept only blue bots. So if it's got anything, if it's blank, if tape.length is equal to 0, it needs to reject that as well. We're gonna add that as a failing condition. What? I literally added one thing for this. Hello? Oh, maybe it's a stage 2 test that now fails. Expected true but got false. Oh, because that's not an acceptable level anymore. The level should now be... not this, but... How do we reject a 0 blue dot? I guess we could pass it through a branch at first, and if it's not blue, it fails. And then do the rest. Okay, so we'll do branch right, then branch up, I guess. This should be a belt right. This will be a fail. Then we have belt right, belt right, belt down. Belt down. And that's it. Okay. Alright, so that passed tests now. Or that passed tests. That test passes. So this should be rejected because... Oh wait, I messed up on that. Okay, start. Wait, what? I deleted this. Hello? Something's wrong, because I changed the grid, but it doesn't... Hello? Why does the bot keep moving as if there was still stuff there? Let me think. Runbot. Runbot, doesn't it use game grid? It does use game grid, so if I modify game grid... Place object. Oh, that's interesting. Oops. It needs to literally be a blank object. Okay, we're gonna do delete object, I guess. I was just thinking I could do this, but apparently I add the direction in there, which makes it a valid object. So it's literally this. Okay. My bad. I didn't even realize deleting objects didn't work until now. Alright. Alright, so we found a failing test. That should be a fail, but it was accepted. So now we're gonna try the correct solution, or one correct solution, which is have a branch here. It needs to be blue. Cut out all other blues. Like so. And yep, that passes. Cool. So we have a successfully... we don't have like visuals. It doesn't say like accept only blue bots yet or anything like that. But hey, it's at least functional in that regard. Oh. It would be nice to have everything move up by one, huh? Well, crud. Oh, coding. Yeah. That's what I do. Well, at least this proves functionally that everything is sound. As long as it ends up there, it gets accepted, so... Actually, yeah, that rejects in like the simplest case. Not enough space. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Well, I think this is good progress for today. At least we have something to show. So I think tomorrow's the goal is to make it so we have a little bit, well, first off, it's clear what we're supposed to be doing. So a little more clarity on things, and then actually starting to develop some stages with that, because we have all the basic tools, maybe some quality of life things too, some shortcuts, maybe the selection thing, I don't know. There's like a couple things. Oh, and also the dragging around the view, which I need to do with like the mouse or something, so we can have larger views. Oh, I have to get rid of this debug info before I commit this. But we're on good track to have this game like fleshed out by the time the wait, what? Comes from oh right, it comes from the test robot queue, bot queue. There it is. I think we're on track to have a pretty fleshed out game by the time this jam is complete. So I have a commit that I didn't commit yesterday. Nice. Implement graphical display with stepped timing. I do want to integrate interpolation of movement as well, so it's smooth instead of just going one grid space at a time. That would be nice. Speed controls, things like that. Alright. I will be right back, and then it's Project Diva time, finally.